It was late. It was Liam. I was debugging a web app when I noticed something strange. My system clock was wrong. Again. I fell asleep at my desk, exhausted from hours of debugging. When I woke up, my screen was filled with SSL certificate warnings. I started logging the clock drift, and I found a pattern. The NTP sync requests were happening 45 times more frequently than normal. This wasn't a bug, this was deliberate. I opened Wireshark and started capturing network traffic. I checked the NTP logs, and I found something impossible. The attacks were happening every hour, at exactly 3 minutes past the hour. The network delay was 0, not 50 milliseconds, not 10, 0. 0, that's physically impossible for internet traffic. 0 delay means one thing: the response came from something very close to me. I analyzed the network traffic and found something shocking. My phone was sending fake NTP responses to my Mac. The timestamps were missing, the delay was 0, the pattern was automated. Someone had compromised my phone and turned it into an attack device. Here's how the attack works. Your computer asks an NTP server for the correct time. But a compromised device on your local network intercepts that request. It responds instantly with fake time data before the real server can reply. And because the response arrives first, your computer accepts it as legitimate, bypassing SSL verification and session timeouts. The evidence was undeniable: missing server timestamps, 0 network delay, 45 times more frequent than normal, and a 3-hour gap between attacks that proved coordination. This wasn't a random hack. This was a sophisticated attack using my own device against me. The phone had malware that turned it into a local NTP spoofer. I built ClockStoppers, an open-source tool that detects these attacks in real time. It monitors your system clock, queries multiple NTP servers, and alerts you to suspicious patterns like this. Your computer's clock isn't just for telling time. It's a security mechanism. And if an attacker can control it through a compromised device on your network, they can bypass a lot of your defenses. Protect yourself.